This is your boy, Klay. Hello guys, I'm back! Today we're going to make a Play-Doh. We're going to call it Play-Doh. Play-Doh. But before that, I would like to greet my classmate and my friend Brianna. Hey, happy birthday! This is my classmate Brianna. See guys? Hi Brianna. Happy birthday! I hope you're having fun. I also want to greet my little sister, Allegra. Don't forget to subscribe to their channel right here. Again. And I'm going to also teach Allegra the moons in our solar system. Allegra, I can't wait to teach you. I'm back! These are the things that we need. We have this blue paint because we don't have any blue food color. We have food coloring. Guys, this is CREAM of Tartar. Water and this is salt. This is a flower. We have some Ziploc. Also, we have a bowl. We have a lot of things, but you can find this in your kitchen.
So,
Now let's get started! Started! Number one, we have to combine our dry ingredients. First, we're going to put flour. Everything. Oh, salt. And also this one. Guys, we need 2 scoops of CREAM of Tartar. 1. 2. Now guys, stir them. This, a circular motion.
oh wow!
Guys, I'm doing a circular motion.
Slowly lang.
Next, we're going to put the wet ingredients. We have some water and some oil. It's a liquid. Now, guys, let's put everything. And then oil. Now let's mix them again.
Slowly.
Look. Guys, how did it look? Oh, it's rain. That's enough? Enough? Guys, I'm putting everything. See, guys, this is how it looks now. Just rub.
It's okay.
Hi, guys. That's too heavy.
Is it?
Yes.
Okay, put it down.
Guys, step number 2, Mom will put it in the microwave 2 to 3 minutes. So, see you later. I'm going to make it into a dough now. Look guys, it's really soft.
Say what?
It smells so good like the real Play-Doh.
Wait, let me see. See?
I wish you can touch it too.
Oh, wow.
Then number 3, we need the kneaded dough form ball. Guys, I'm having so much fun.
Are you?
Yes! I got the ball.
That's one.
That's a small piece. That Play-Doh could work. Five, 6. Like we're going to form it into a ball. Circular motion. And number 4, guys. We're going to put the clay dough inside the plastic so that we're going to put food coloring and also paint. Oops. That's one down. 2, guys. Help me, mommy. 4, guys. And this is number 5. This is number 6. And this is number 7.
What's next?
We're coloring.
Are you?
Yes!
You are?
Yes!
We need
Red and blue.
blue. We only have paint. Open it for mommy, please.
Guys, this is black now, guys.
And blue. Wait. Wait, Klay, wait.
Are you seeing that? Guys.
So what are we going to do now, Klay?
Mix it.
Okay.
What? Say what? Just squeeze up. It's from the sky yellow. Hands is also dirty. This is the red. arm our Play-Dohs. Guys, look, we have yellow, red, green, orange, blue, purple, and black.
Wow.
I'll be playing with this. So guys, I hope you enjoyed. This is your boy signing off. Bye.
So, you want to play now?
It's so nice. This is the Earth, ocean, and
You happy?